If you have Toyota Sienna 2017 or 2016, if you encounter this, the check AWD system and track off, and then the check engine light show up. So this is what you're gonna do. Just replace the fuel cup, and I bought this one for almost $50. But if you're going to bring this to the dealer, this one's cost a lot. So just do it to yourself. Replace by doing this, removing the clip, and then put a new one, and then install it, and that's it. It's very simple as that. That's the old one, and I have the new one already. So I bought it from the dealer so that I got a brand new and genuine parts. Now try to turn on and up, and then double check that it click, you're the click, and then cover it back or put it back on, and then that's it. Start right for a couple of times, and then all of this code gonna be deleted and everything is gonna be all right. It's not gonna come out right away. That's why you have to drive a couple of times. So now, as you can see, there is no more code. The AWD system, and then the track off, and then the check engine is all deleted. Thank you for watching.